Hello friends, welcome in our channel. Today we are going to learn about how to trade in cryptocurrency with live proof in this video. I know I have not made video for longer times, but I was busy, so I got extra time today. That's why I am making the video for you. This is just a learning purpose video, and if you want to try just like me how to trade on IQ option platform in like a forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, etc., I will provide you the link of IQ option in the description box. You can go there and register with your email address and passwords, and you can try with this. The most benefit is this: in this platform IQ option you get $10,000 practice amount. Means it is just free for you to trade and practice. It is just for you to trade and practice and be master in trading. So first click on the plus button. Here you have lot of options like digital, forex, stocks, ETF, commodities and cryptos. Today I will teach you about how to trade on crypto. We will choose one of, you can choose any one of you what currency you are interested in. I will select Ethereum. Let's take it Ethereum. Market is open and invest a minimum $100. Please invest only that much of money which you will afford to lose, because it is highly risky. You can lose your money within second and you can earn profit, or I can say that just double your profit within second. The market is going up and I will buy now. I have invested $100. Leverage is equal to 1, is ratio is equal to 5, means $100 becomes $500 total investments. Means you can see on the screen. Here you can see the button of take profit and stop loss. Take profit means if I just click on it will stop at certain price. Means when it will reach 449.3, it will automatically sell. And stop loss means when it will reach down, you can see that minus $95 means 95% loss. When it will suffer, it will automatically close, and I have only get $5 in my balance. The profitable value is that just in the middle market I can also sell. What for selling, you just have to click on the click button above, close button above, and after clicking the market you will get out of this cryptocurrency market. So it's gone down $20.84. If you have extra money like you want to invest $5, then forex digital currency will be the best for you. Just select euro by USD. It is just for learning video. Please don't take it like a real investment. It's just learning video. You can practice daily half an hour, and within a month, 2 months, 3 months you can be a master in these activities. Means I am investing in digital currency. Let's see what happen. It is going down. I will put put. Let's see what happen. You can see here expiry profit, profit and sell. Just have to sell. You can sell in the middle also. Just don't wait for 30 seconds. I can sell here. You can see at the end of 42 seconds left, 41 seconds left. Means here you can get your profit in just 1 minute, and you can also face loss within 1 minute. Means total loss of money or total gain of money. In middle, if I sell now, I will get only $4.19. It's looking quite just I have sell. Oh, it's a loss of 0.37 I lost, but I have also saved my money $5 from this. So I will try again. and it thinks that it will go up, so I am putting the confirm button. Let's see what happened. 57 seconds left, 52 seconds left. It is just practice. Here you can see that it's going up. Now my profit is $2.48, means I have not waited for 1 minute. I just came out from the market in the middle. This is some type of tricks that you should apply on the game before playing. I know video is going long, but this is just a learning purpose. And you can hear that in cryptocurrency, in Ethereum, the time is not limited, means I can keep for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 1 week, till I don't reach the 95% loss or 100% profit. This will goes on. So it's not about that I have invested and in 5 minutes I will take the profit from the Ethereum cryptocurrency. No, the profit in 5 seconds or 1 minute profit is only investing in digital currency, but in forex, stocks, ETF, commodity, crypto, it can take a week to earn your profit. So have patience, enjoy investing, and if you want to learn while practicing within yourself by opening an account just like me on mobile phone, you can have the link in the description box. Sign up today. No need to invest a single dollar before being an expert in this market. Thanks for watching.